Drop. Listen here, this is basic arithmetic. Divide and conquer, so charismatic. Hey, buddy, in the chasing hits like ethics. I'd rather put lead in your ethic. Bastards, articulate MCs are rare.
Alright guys, so I decided to buy my wife this for Christmas. I had a LCS 12 in there, but you know what? We're gonna go all out for her. Plus, this will be future proof if she wanted to get a bigger amp. So I did open it up. I want to show you guys what comes in this. Great packaging from Sundown, Down for Sound. Box in a box. So it comes with the, I got the free t-shirt. Pumpkin head design. So we got that. It did throw in some of these lollipops or suckers, whatever you want to call them. Got those. It did come with the voltmeter, but she's already has a bass knob in there, so we don't need this. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing out of here, get it taken out of the box. I have 2 of these in my car, so she's gonna have one. I'll show you what this thing looks like. These are so gorgeous. All right, be right back. All right, so flip this thing upside down. Sucker's heavy, man. Heavy ass up. Let me try to get this thing up. I'll show you what it looks like. Man, look at this thing. X12. Didn't think I had him sign it, but he did. But look at this thing. I forgot because these been in my car for like 3 years now. 3.5 years. I'm gonna do a video on that. On 3 years of having these subs and my thoughts, but what are these? This thing is just an absolute monster. Look at this thing. Heavy as all hell too. Heavy, heavy, heavy. I mean, thing barely moves. She's just got a JP8, so it really ain't gonna push this thing like that. I got the Salt 4K on 2 of these and absolutely hammers them. But I think this should do pretty good, man. This should do pretty good. She's not looking for anything crazy. You know, she's not a super bass head like me, but man, I just forgot how gorgeous these things are. Such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful sub. I'll probably get this thing in the box tomorrow, get it into the car on Friday, Saturday, and I'll let you guys see what this thing does. All right. Appreciate you guys rocking with me. I've been seeing some growth on the channel the last few days. Maybe I got to do some more bass in the car videos. You know, if there's something that you guys want me to do, let me know. Leave it down in the comments. All right, y'all. Peace.
Just trying to get comfortable with the booth again, people.